guys. So got all my gear wrapped up. This got all new props again because one of these props was really out of whack, and then I went through and retightened all my bolts again. And then this one, my 5-inch marmot, so I got my baby wasp and my 5-inch marmot both got a ton of work today. And it's nice enough right now that I'm gonna take the scooter to a flying location, and I will kind of kick off the video again once I get underway here. So see you guys in a sec. Oh my gosh, it is a windy day again, guys. I just can't get away from this wind. However, I think my 5-inch should handle this wind a lot better today. I am gonna fly my 3-inch and I'm gonna fly my 5-inch, but it's an extremely windy day today. You guys can hear that coming into my helmet. Even just cruising normal speeds here, I'm actually getting pummeled by the wind. I'm going 34 miles an hour, 35, something like that. Make sure my stuff doesn't fall out. And actually, I gotta run across the street real quick down here and grab an energy drink. I am just feeling dead on my feet, so we're gonna run down real fast and get me an energy drink. So I don't know why, but I like these, and I like these a lot. These Dollar Jack Links classic beef sticks are actually really tasty. So drop these in my goodie bag and then drive down to the location. All right, let's go out here and make a Yui. Whip a dooey. Oh boy.
Hey, how fast you think you can go on that?
With this?
Yeah.
This will break 100, no problem.
For real?
Yeah, it's not just a normal scooter, man. It's liquid cooled. It's a big engine on it. It's decent.
It sounds powerful.
Yeah, that's how I set it up, to be powerful. Yeah, it'll rip, man. It's highway capable all day, no problem.
It's bad.
Yeah, I think on average I ride about 80 on the highway, and it still has more throttle, so I bet it would go past 100. Yeah. So, all right, man. Have a good one. Yes, sir. That was funny. That was funny. All right, I'm actually gonna pull out right behind this dude and whip right on over here just like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, I get that question a lot. The scooter is so big that people actually are curious about it. It's not just a normal scooter, you know, even though it's 300 cc's, this thing will rip, man. So, you know, they say top speed on this is 85. I'm pretty sure I've gone faster than that. And if I actually leaned over and put myself behind this windshield, oh, that was really clean. Nice. If I actually leaned over and put myself behind this windshield, I'm almost 100% sure I could break 100. At least 95. At least. Alright, let's make this turn here. I'm already going 50 and I'm not even trying. I barely have the throttle on. She rips, dude. This has been a fun scooter since I got it. Let's get up next to the car here.
When it's over, that's the time I fall in love again. And when it's over, that's the time you're in my heart again. And when you go, I know it never ends, never ends. All the things that I used to say, all the words that got in the way, all the things that I used to know have gone out the window. All the things that she used to bring, all the songs that she used to sing, all her favorite TV shows have gone out the window. Missing you, I never knew how much you loved me. I'm missing you, I in the way. All the things that I used to know have gone out the window. All the things that she used to bring, all the songs that she used to sing, all her favorite TV shows have gone out the window. You never said you were pretending. I'm wishing you'd feel the same and just come back to me.
Once again, another stupid windy day out here today. Even my 5-inch up there was getting beat up by the tops of the trees. It's just, as soon as you start ripping around in this area, it's like a big vortex tunnel of air that just goes straight through. We really just need some days where it's not windy. It's making this very depressing to fly right now. It's kind of stupid, honestly, but it is what it is. So, oh well, let's see if we got any jello. I don't mind some hiccups and bumps in the footage. That's fine. I get that on my regular GoPro. But obviously removing the extra 80 grams makes a little difference in the windy conditions. We'll see.